In this video, I'm gonna show you different type of closures. First one is a hook and eye. Hook and eye are usually on the wrong side of the fabric. So right now I'm bringing my needle up from the right side to the wrong side, and it sews in the same way like a button from one hole to the other hole. And I'm gonna repeat this 3 times on same spot. Now I'm gonna bring my needle up from the hook part on the top side and take my thread under the hook and go down from the other side. I'm gonna repeat this 3 times. This step is really good to do. It's gonna help the hook not to move from its place. Now I'm gonna bring my needle up and gonna go under the hook and gonna make a knot. To sew a eye, I'm gonna fold my fabric in half and gonna mark where I want my eye to be, like that. Again, I'm gonna bring my needle up from the right side of the fabric through the hole, and I'm gonna go across the other side, same as the other one. And I'm gonna repeat this stitch 3 times. Now I'm just gonna go under my eye and make a knot. Next is hook and bar. These are usually used in formal pants and skirt. This time I don't want to show my thread on outer side, so I'm just gonna take a small stitch and place my hook on top. Now I'm gonna take a small fabric amount from inside and go through the hole, and I'm gonna repeat this 5 times on one spot. Then under the fabric, I'm gonna go to the other side of the hole, and now I'm gonna repeat this same thing on that side. I can do just like a hook and eye, but it won't look that good in the formal, so I'm just gonna repeat same as the other side I did. Now I'm gonna take my needle under the hook and make a knot. To sew the bar on the other side, I'm gonna fold my fabric again and gonna make a mark where are the holes on my hook, and I'll place my bar there and it looks perfect. So I'm gonna sew my bar same as I sewed my hook. Next is sew on snips. Sew on snips are like a button. So when you're sewing it, make sure that On the flat part, the pointy part is coming up, not going down. It should face up. So again, I'm gonna make a small stitch on my fabric and gonna place my button on top, the snip. You can sew the snips two ways, just like a hook and eye, or you can also sew it like a hook and a bar. So this one I'm doing it as a hook and eye. And I'll go to the other side and I'm gonna sew it like a hook and a bar. So in this one, I'm sewing it in two different ways so you can see how it looks. So on this side, I'm sewing it like a hook and a bar. Before I sew the other side off, sew on snip. Make sure the hole comes on the top and the pointy part facing down, like that. You can also close the snip and make sure that it's right. Again, I'm gonna do same stitch as I did it to hook and a bar. Thanks for watching.